of the most important is in our products that you don't need anything else, just your own body weight and the structure. That makes simple and easy to use the products. The ZigZag Boulder is our second product. We know that the climbing is getting more popular and we wanted to get in this market.
So we regard our products way more just simple sport equipments. We consider we have a mission to involve people from the urban spaces to use the city for activity and sport. So the design is one of the key factors, I think, of our company. The product is a modular system based on two modules, tetrahedron and octahedron. And you can combine these two modules, depends on your needs or depends on what you want to achieve in a public space. The structure is based on structural steel frame, and we cover the whole thing with plastic plates, and after that we can put the holes on. All of our routes, what we build, it's color coded, so we can separate 6 different colors, and you can choose which one is yours. Maybe the yellow and the orange is the lightest one or the easiest one, and the black and the purple, it will be for the professionals.